Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best starter fluid is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for anyone who owns small engine equipment, from lawnmowers and chainsaws to generators and snowblowers, ensuring that your trusty machines spring to life with a quick and reliable ignition, especially during those crucial first attempts after a period of inactivity or in challenging weather conditions, making it a small investment for a significant return in convenience and operational readiness. Number 5. STA-BIL Storage Fuel Stabilizer 8 ounces. Ensure your fuel stays fresh for up to 24 months. This is perfect for storing vehicles, boats, or outdoor equipment when not in use. Protect your engine and fuel system from damage caused by ethanol and non-ethanol fuels. It maintains the integrity of your fuel system components for optimal performance and longevity. Experience quick and easy starts every time. You can confidently store your equipment and vehicles, knowing they will start smoothly whenever you need them. Just pour the contents directly into your fuel tank before adding gasoline. Use 1 ounce for every 2.5 gallons of gas, then run the engine for 5 minutes to treat the entire system. Enjoy peace of mind with a product that offers a 2-year shelf life after opening, or 5 years from the production date. It's scientifically designed to protect all types of engines. Trust the best. Our proprietary formulas are consistently ranked as America's #1 fuel stabilizer, outperforming the competition in independent lab tests. What we like. This product is designed for long-term fuel preservation, keeping it fresh for up to 24 months. It also actively prevents corrosion in your fuel system. If you're storing vehicles, boats, or outdoor equipment for extended periods, especially over winter, this is the ideal choice to ensure they start up smoothly when you need them. What people say. STA-BIL Storage Fuel Stabilizer, the unsung superhero of my garage, safeguarding my engines from the dark forces of ethanol and gum. Applying STA-BIL is as easy as pie. You don't need a degree in chemistry or an engineering diploma. Just pour it into your fuel tank, give it a good mix, and voila. What makes STA-BIL Storage Fuel Stabilizer truly remarkable is its superpower, keeping fuel fresh for up to 24 months. Number 4. Gumout 800-002231 Carburetor Cleaner Spray. Introducing the Gumout 800-002231 Carburetor Cleaner Spray. This powerful formula is designed to tackle tough grime. It effectively removes gum, varnish, and dirt from both the inside and outside of your carburetor chamber. Keep your engine running smoothly. This cleaner not only cleans but also prevents future buildup. This helps maintain optimal performance over time. By keeping your carburetor clean, it helps save on fuel economy. Enjoy better mileage with every use. Its spray application makes it easy to use. Simply spray it on the affected areas for a thorough clean. This versatile cleaner is perfect for both your carburetor and choke. Ensure all parts are functioning as they should. What we like. This cleaner is specifically formulated to tackle gum, varnish, and dirt buildup within your carburetor and choke. It works both inside and outside to restore optimal performance and prevent future issues. If you're experiencing rough running or poor fuel efficiency due to a dirty carburetor, this is the solution to get your engine back in top shape. What people say. Cleaned out all the gunk from the carburetor and choke system. The spray nozzle provides good precision for getting into tight spaces. The Gumout Carb Choke Cleaner does exactly what it claims. It cuts through gum, varnish, and built-up grime quickly and efficiently. The spray has a strong, focused stream that makes it easy to get into tight passages and hard-to-reach areas inside the carburetor. Number 3. STA-BIL Fast Fix Small Engine Treatment. Tired of your small engine equipment sputtering and refusing to start? This powerful treatment breaks down the gum and varnish causing these issues. It's designed to combat the effects of ethanol-blended gasoline, ensuring smoother operation. Water in your fuel system can cause big problems. This additive penetrates deep to remove water, preventing the need for costly engine disassembly. It treats up to 20 gallons of fuel and is alcohol-free. This treatment is compatible with all your small engines, whether they're 2-cycle or 4-cycle. It cleans carburetors and injectors while removing water, making it perfect for your lawn mower, chainsaw, snow blower, and more. For rough-running engines, use 1 ounce per 2.5 gallons of fuel. After filling with fresh gas, run the engine for 15 minutes to let it work. If it doesn't start, try turning it over and letting it sit overnight. Keep track of when you open the bottle, as it remains effective for up to 2 years. Simply mark the date on the back of the package for future reference. What we like. This treatment is engineered to resolve rough running and starting issues in small engines by dissolving gum and varnish. It also effectively removes water from your fuel system, preventing the need for engine disassembly. If your lawn mower, chainsaw, or other small engine equipment is acting up, this product will help restore its smooth operation. What people say. Followed the instructions to flush and let sit for a few days. Everyone started and ran great. Hands down, this is a remarkable product for cleaning out blocked fuel systems from sitting all winter. Would recommend it for all 2-cycle engines and use the stable blend for winter as well as any time use to prevent fuel spoilage. This stuff is amazing. It revived my old leaf blower and saved me several $100s. Now I'm putting it in other 2-stroke engines and they are all coming back. Take your time. I let it sit, and it ate away all the varnish inside the carb. This stuff actually works. Put in proper amount with fresh gas and watch your small engine run smoother and more powerful than ever. Very surprised. Number 2. STA-BIL Starting Fluid 22004. Experience quicker engine starts, even in extreme cold. This formula is designed to get you going, no matter the weather. It not only starts your engine but also protects it. The advanced formula includes upper cylinder lubricant and corrosion inhibitors for long-term engine health. This product is suitable for a wide range of gasoline and diesel engines. From cars and trucks to lawnmowers and marine equipment, it works for them all. Worry-free use is guaranteed. It will not harm your vehicle's catalytic converters or oxygen sensors, ensuring your emission systems remain unaffected. Keep it on hand with confidence. All STA-BIL branded products remain effective for up to 2 years after opening. Just remember to mark the date you opened it. Don't let freezing temperatures stop you. It ensures faster starts down to an incredible -65°F. What we like. This starting fluid offers guaranteed faster starts, even in incredibly cold conditions down to -65°F. It also provides lubrication for the upper cylinder and corrosion inhibition. If you need your gasoline or diesel engine to start reliably in harsh weather, whether it's a car, tractor, or snowmobile, this is the product you need. What people say. A short burst without the air filter and it fires right up. Excellent engine starter fluid for 2- and 4-cycle engines, as well as diesels. Using a squirt of starting fluid generally aids in getting them running quickly, and if you have a starting problem, it can help determine if it is electrical or carburation. Number 1. TCP Global 25-piece Cleaning Tool Set. Introducing a comprehensive 25-piece cleaning tool set designed for intricate cleaning tasks. It includes a variety of wire needles, brushes, and a sharp pick for detailed work. Tackle stubborn paint, dirt, and debris with ease. This set is perfect for reaching difficult areas in airbrushes, spray guns, and carburetors, ensuring they are clear and functional. This specialized 13-piece needle set is designed for carburetors, featuring needles in various sizes to clean tiny jets and passages effectively. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient storage case. The ultrafine and sharp needle pick allows for precise removal and cleaning of the smallest orifices. Its ergonomic handle and protective cap ensure safe and easy handling. Ideal for maintaining your airbrushes and spray guns, these tools effectively clean fluid tips, air cap holes, and paint cups. The included brushes and needles are also great for other small, detailed cleaning applications. Gain access to detailed guides on airbrush repair with the included Master Airbrush Resource Center access card. This ensures you have the support you need for maintenance and upkeep. What we like. This is a comprehensive 25-piece cleaning tool set designed for intricate parts like carburetors, airbrushes, and spray guns. It includes a wide variety of needle and brush sizes to reach all the difficult spots. If you're a hobbyist or professional who frequently works with small, precise equipment and needs to clear out stubborn clogs, this kit will make the job much easier. What people say. The smallest brushes are good for opening jets. Since then, I've used the brushes for several other cleaning jobs like motorcycle master cylinder ports. I needed some small needles to help clean out some spray can nozzles I had. This offers a good choice of needles for this task. Phenomenal kit, need around if you have 2 strokes or carbs in general. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.